Since 1977, the BMW 7 Series has been produced and sold by the German car manufacturer BMW as a full-size luxury sedan. It has been developed as a successor to the BMW E3 New 6 sedan and is currently available in its 7th generation. BMW's flagship vehicle, the 7 Series, is exclusively offered as a sedan body style, which includes long wheelbase and limousine models. It has a reputation for introducing new technologies and exterior design concepts ahead of other models in the BMW range. The G77 series is provided with various powertrain options, such as a petrol plug-in hybrid, diesel, and battery electric, which is known as the i7. However, the V12 petrol engine option is no longer available. The car comes exclusively in a long wheelbase format, featuring exterior dimensions that are 130mm longer, 48mm wider, and 51mm taller than the previous generation's long wheelbase model. Initially, only the i7 will be available in Europe, with internal combustion engine versions, including the 740DX drive with a 3.0-liter turbo 6-cylinder producing 300 horsepower, and 2 plug-in hybrid models, the 750EX drive and M760EX drive, to be introduced later. Both of these plug-in hybrid models will be available worldwide. For its introduction in late 2022 in North America, the G77 series will have 3 available trims, which include the i7 xDrive 60. 2 internal combustion engine versions will also be offered, namely the 740i and 760i xDrive, which come with mild hybrid technology. The BMW 740DX drive can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds, with 320 horsepower. The BMW 750i xDrive can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.8 seconds, with 490 horsepower. The BMW 760i xDrive can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.3 seconds, with 571 horsepower. The price for BMW 740D, 750i, and M760i is from $88,000, $105,000, respective $160,000. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is a luxurious vehicle that belongs to the full-size car category and is produced by Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. The automobile was given the name Ghost in tribute to the Silver Ghost, and the announcement was made during the Auto Shanghai event held in April 2009. Throughout its development process, the Ghost was intentionally designed to be a smaller and more practical vehicle than the Phantom to position it in a more affordable price category within Rolls-Royce's range of models. As per BMW AG's announcement, the current generation of vehicles that run on internal combustion engines, such as the Ghost, will continue to be manufactured until 2030. Beyond this point, the company has plans to exclusively produce electric models. In January 2019, spy shots of the upcoming next-generation Ghost were captured, giving us a sneak peek of the highly anticipated update. The model was later fully revealed in September 2020. Unlike the previous generation, this car now uses the same platform as the 8th generation Phantom and the Cullinan SUV. The newest version of the Ghost boasts several noteworthy features, such as all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, and a suspension system known as the planar suspension, which includes added dampers and mast to minimize high-frequency vibrations. Additionally, the car's grille features a unique illuminated design, a first for Rolls-Royce, with spokes that are lit up by lights situated within the top triangular part of the grille, maintaining its traditional shape. The latest Ghost model has a new feature called the Starlight headliner in its interior, which was only available in the Phantom cars, specifically in the Phantom Celestial, the special edition of the 7th generation Rolls-Royce Phantom. This is a significant change compared to the previous Ghost model. Additionally, the new Ghost interior is said to have more intricate details than its predecessor. Although it uses the identical 6.7-liter V12 engine and all-wheel drive chassis, The vehicle has undergone some adjustments to increase its power output to 592 horsepower. As a result, it can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds and 100 miles per hour in 10.3 seconds. Additionally, it can achieve a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour. Starting at $311,900, the new Ghost boasts an array of updated interior and exterior features.